Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan Williams, the founder of Growing Pure and the creator of the Plant Your Health Cooking Bootcamp. As you'll see on this page, this course is jam-packed with materials that are really going to help you learn vital skills for your health, your happiness, and your taste buds. Everything here is laser focused on teaching you how to cook mind-blowingly tasty plant-based meals and using whole, unprocessed plant foods to really take control of your health as well. Come on and take a look inside the course with me. I hope to see you inside the course.